StickNana believes it's just a cold, but she doesn't know her sugar is soaring and her blood is turning acidic. The clock is ticking. StickNana had a mild cold for days, tired, no appetite, slightly nauseous. But today everything changes. She suddenly develops severe nausea, repeated vomiting, and sharp stomach pain. Stick dad rushes in with a glass of water. Stick mom checks his temperature. 100 Fahrenheit. It's just a fever, she says, handing her acetaminophen. Stick sis is already searching online. Ginger tea for nausea, best home remedies for vomiting. Then Stick kid freezes. Wait, doesn't Nana have diabetes? What if this isn't just a cold? Stick pa snaps back. Don't scare everyone. Look at her. This is just a flu. But the question doesn't go away. Why is she getting worse instead of better? What are they missing? And how much time do they really have left? Inside Nana's body, the cells whisper, "We're starving. Sugar isn't getting inside." They shout to the liver, "Help us. We need fuel." The liver responds, "All right, I'll release more sugar into the blood." But nothing changes. Cells panic. The door is locked. The key is missing. Where is insulin? The pancreas answers weakly, "I'm too tired. I can't make enough insulin." The liver hesitates, then says, "Then we will use the fat-burning shortcut." Ketones flood the blood. Cells scream. The blood is turning acidic. Organs are under attack. Do something or we shut down. StickNana starts breathing fast. Stick Kid leans closer. "Mom, her breath smells fruity. That's not normal." Panic spreads. They try more home remedies. Then Stick Mom finally grabs the glucometer. The screen flashes 528. No one speaks. The room goes silence. This is diabetic ketoacidosis, DKA. It often starts when the body is under stress, a cold, an infection, surgery, emotional shock, or when someone skips insulin or diabetes pills. The blood is full of sugar, but the pancreas can't make enough insulin. Insulin is the key that opens the cell doors. No key, no fuel enters. So the body gets confused. It thinks sugar must be low, and it releases even more glucose into the blood. Now the blood becomes thick with sugar. Water is pulled out of the tissue. That's why Nana feels extremely thirsty. Her mouth is dry, and she keeps peeing. But the real disaster is still building. Without insulin, the body takes a deadly shortcut. It starts burning fat for energy, and fat creates ketones, acidic toxins that flood the bloodstream. Those poisons attack the organs. The lungs try to blow the acid away. Fast, deep breathing. The stomach reacts, nausea and vomiting. The kidneys struggle. Dehydration worsens. The brain is next. Confusion, coma, death. And this is why treating the symptoms is so dangerous. A glass of water, an anti-nausea pill, lowering a mild fever, they feel helpful, but they hide the real fire. Every person with diabetes must know these red flags: extreme thirst, frequent urination, dry mouth, vomiting or stomach pain, fast or deep breathing, fruity smelling breath, sudden fatigue or dizziness. When these appear, don't wait. Check blood sugar immediately. If it's high, this is an emergency. Go to the hospital right away. Here's something scary. This is one medication that can cause DKA even when blood sugar is normal. Do you know which drug it is? Write it in the comments. StickNana is rushes to the hospital. She receives insulin, IV fluids, and electrolyte correction. She survives. Stick Doc turns to the family. You acted just in time. Another delay could have meant coma or worse. Diabetes doesn't forgive hesitation. Want more life-saving medical stories? Stick with us and learn how to save lives one story at a time.